Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If today is the first time of coming across my YouTube channel, my name is Sharon. Thank you guys for coming. Thank you for my old time subscribers, for my new ones. Thank you guys. I really appreciate from the bottom of my heart. You guys are the best. Thank you guys. So in today's video, I'm going to cook fish sauce. So guys, let me introduce to you what I'm going to use. This is my fish that I want to steam. This is my chopped onions. This is my crayfish. I've not blended it. My scotch bonnet pepper. I've not blended it. And my green pepper. I'll slice this. This is my salt to taste. Maggi. Lime. You can use lemon. Garlic. Tuna. And ginger. My curry and my thyme, my vegetable Maggi, and my olive oil. You can use normal oil, groundnut oil. You can use that. So let me wash my hand so that we'll start steaming the fish. So I've on the gas. Let's steam the fish that I've added onions. Oh my god, this thing is up. Onions and Maggi and dry pepper. So let's allow it to steam. So guys, this is the result of the fish. Let me bring this out. Yeah, added our chopped onions in the same oil that we use to fry the fish. So we'll add the scotch bonnet pepper now, and the crayfish, the ginger, and the garlic that I showed you guys in the first introduction. So you stir and allow it cover. Just open it. So add the curry and the thyme now. Add it now. If you're not yet subscribed, please subscribe. If you find this video interesting, please do not forget to like, share, give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Thank you guys, and God bless you. Please subscribe. Thank you. I love you guys. Mwah. Ciao ciao.